Hey guys, just want to close the loop on these connectors. So I just ordered some from Hobby King. These are the 6mm ones. Just I don't know. I don't remember what the name is. These are the Jesus, I don't remember the name. XT150s on these, and I don't remember the name of these either. These are the they're 7mm. But what I kind of like about these, built-in resistor, anti-spark. And the other thing I really like about these is the male pin is solid. It's not spring-loaded, and the female side is slotted with a spring around the end. These are pretty sweet. They're a little bit more money, and they're big. That's the problem. They're big. Some of my planes they won't fit. But what I wanted to show you is these are both 6mm, the XT150s. And at first, when I first opened the package, I was like, well, you know, screw these, I'll just get these. These are cheaper, they're the same size, blah, blah, blah. But if you look at them, you know, there's a pretty good taper on that, and that's why it's spring-loaded. It's a terrible picture. Just the end is what's tight. So when I stick them in the female end, so push that in, grab another one here. And here's the XT150. So you can see the 150 is pretty nice. When it compresses, that area on the end fits in there pretty square. So it's actually a pretty nice pin. And if you touch the end and you get your spark out of the way, you're going to be way in there and you should be clean. This other one, this is why I'm making a video. I don't know if you can see that. It's very obvious that just the end is touching. So basically, when that pin is in there, you're getting contact there. That's it. So if if it's preloaded a little bit, maybe one side will touch, but you're only getting very small contact area. And one more time, it's pretty obvious. I don't know if you can see that. Guys, I don't know if I'm picking this up or not, but it's got a lot of movement. And again, pull that out. That's pretty tight. That's a pretty nice pin. So those XT150s, that's a nice pin. The Hobby King 6mm is what you would expect from Hobby King for the price. Good pin for the price. They're cheap, but definitely these are nicer.